Here I have Samsung Galaxy A01 Core, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system section, then languages and input, default keyboard, okay, on-screen keyboard, then Samsung keyboard, languages and types, manage input languages. Here you can see the whole list of languages in which you can type. You have the downloaded languages and you have like other available languages. So like these downloaded languages you can use right away, but others you have to download from the internet. Fortunately I have the internet connection and I can afford myself to download some language, so let's download Greek. And now let's try to write something down in Greek language. And as you can see, now I have Greek layout on my keyboard. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.